Let's explore what Navisworks software versions that are available for you to purchase. See, Autodesk have 3 different Navisworks versions that you can use. The first one is called Navisworks Freedom. It's a free version which let you only see or view only the models created on it. If you have an NWC exported from Revit or any software, you can only view it on Navisworks Freedom or add some markups or notes and revisions. These are the most used tools in Navisworks, which is a viewer of a federated model or a combined model of all the disciplines in a construction project. And markup, you can add the markups and make viewpoints to send to other project teams referring to an element that needs modification or anything. Another thing is the 4D or 5D simulation, which is the focus of this course, and this would only be available on Navisworks Simulate or Navisworks Manage. Another thing is the clash detection and coordination between the different disciplines and defining clashes, if there are any, between the same discipline or different disciplines. This is only can be used on Navisworks Manage version of the software. In this course I will be using the Navisworks Manage, which have all the tools available. Just so you know, you can do the 4D or 5D simulation on the Navisworks Simulate as well.